Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a mic. So materials required: plastic bottle, something like 500 ml, and a paper cup, masking tape or some color tape or insulation tape, an earphone, wire cutter, or you can cut with your scissors, sponge, scissors, a pair of scissors. Now you have to cut this part and insert this one into here. Now let me cut this part here. So wait, I'll just take a blade. Now it's hollow inside. You remove this bottle cap, put it aside. Now the body is ready. You take this blade. Now our bottle is ready. So now you have to take this paper cup and make a hole inside this. Take a small scissors, poke inside. Make a small hole here and make sure it fits in like this. So now take your earphones and check if it's working, and then cut this part, cut the earphone part, and keep the mic part alone. Now we are cut and we have only the mic part. We keep it this aside. So now here's the aux cable and here's your mic. So now take your sponge and cut according to the size that fits here. So I'll take a little bigger size, half of it. Keep this aside. So now what you have to do is that you have to take this mic and keep it here, wrap it around it so that it makes keep the mic facing this side so that it comes you can speak this way. Now it's perfect. Now you have to make sure that this cable goes inside this hole. So first let us make this and bring this wire this way, and then wrap this here. Now it's fit. So then leave this aux cable inside the bottle here. And make sure it locks perfectly. So now we are half the way and let's finish it off. So now it's time for your hot glue. So you take your hot glue gun, put some glue in the corners, in the edge of the sponge, the sponge does not come outside. And also make sure that you stick the paper cup here. Let it dry. Now I stuck this paper cup with hot glue. So now let me take this masking tape for decorating it. And stick it around the paper cup. So now we are done. So I used the duct tape to modify this one. So now our mic is ready, and I'll show you how the clarity is. So now I'll show you how the clarity is. So I'll read a text and show you. Let me. The sun is a star, a vast sphere of luminous gas. Its light is a byproduct of a gas-fuel nucleus reaction in its core. It shines steadily now, but in about 5 billion years it will swell up before dying as a coal. This is the quality of this mic, and it's pretty impressive, and I liked it very much. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more.